Python. Replace regex. I am trying to do a grab everything after the comma/html tag and delete it, but my code doesn't seem to be doing anything. Does .replace not support regex?
No. Regular expressions in Python are handled by the re module. In general.
In order to replace text using regular expression, use the re.sub function. Sub pattern, REPL, string, count, flags. It will replace non-overlapping instances of pattern by the text passed as string. If you need to analyze the match to extract information about specific group captures, for instance, you can pass a function to the string argument. More info here. Examples.
You can use the re module for regexes, but regexes are probably overkill for what you want. I might try something like this. Is much cleaner, and should be much faster than a regex-based solution.
For this particular case, if using re module is overkill, how about using split, or split, method as? For example, outputs out.text as.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.